Hi, lovelies. Hello, my Didgeridoo family. So, this funky rhythm, yay! So I already had some discussions, and in a lot of places in Africa, it's being played an Arabic sort of rhythm, but it's just a really funky rhythm in my book. And yeah, so last week, if good, you practice just the breathing. And this week, hey, hello, Ellie. Ellie wants to say hi. I love you too. Okay, go. Okay, she really wants to be in there. So this rhythm, now what we're gonna do this week is we're gonna make it very tonguey. So the tongue is gonna be part of it. So the breathing, the bass. Now let's make it very sort of alive. Just step number one. So instead of go 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 go, it's gonna be tum ti tum 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 ti tum 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 ti tum tum ti tum ti tum tum. And the nice thing is, if you can articulate super well, then it really comes alive. So this ti tum tum. See if you can do that, and it's not more air, but it's really the tongue finding that sharp E. So it's maybe good to practice first. And then try to find then T, T, T. So there's this sharpness. So if you don't articulate well, it's sort of going to be like this. Still nice, but see if you can go maximum articulation. You see, I use my cheeks a little bit. If I would be super like strict, I would say maybe keep your cheeks full or flat. Interesting, but still get the tongue to go like crazy articulation. Actually, that last one, I wasn't really happy with the articulation. So really explore articulation. There's one little tongue thing that we're gonna do. Instead of T-tum, T-tum-tum, we can do that rolling R. So. Yeah, so these is it for this week. Enjoy, have fun, and love and light your way from Ditch Mama in Portugal.